In 2009, the Family Smoking Prevention and Tobacco Control Act was implemented. Now, this gave the U.S. Food and Drug Administration the authority to regulate tobacco. With this policy, federal tax rate for cigarettes increased from 39 cents to 101 a pack. This led to a number decrease of less than 20% of Americans still smoking. It has been said that increasing tobacco prices is the single most effective way to reduce smoking. Now, this leads to my speech today about the taxation of the unhealthier foods that sit on the shelves of your grocery stores every day. The Guardian website states, while it is unclear how such taxes could be brought in and enforced, they could help ensure that poor diet plays less of a role in a future range of illnesses such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, tooth decay, and obesity. One of the three benefits of the fat tax is it will give society the opportunity to buy healthier fruits and vegetables instead of the unhealthy junk food at a much cheaper price. With this fat tax, just because a food has a high fat content does not deem it unhealthy. Now, peanuts are considered to have a high fat content but have been known to promote good heart health. An article from the Hindustan Times website states, levying taxes on junk food may not change things overnight, but it might make young people think twice before eating junk as they have limited pocket money. They also make a valid point by saying, more than levying taxes on junk, there's a need to create awareness about the disastrous consequences of obesity. Now, this moves to another benefit of the fat tax. This taxation will lead to a decrease in obesity numbers across our nation. Some health professionals believe that half the population will be obese by the year 2030 if we do not take a step in the right direction to better the well-being of the human population. According to theweek.com, obesity rates in children have more than tripled in the past 3 decades, to the point where arteries of a typical obese child are as thick and stiff as a healthy 45-year-old. This is an overwhelming statistic. Us as Americans can't rely on things to change without grabbing the bull by the horns to better the lives of our future generations. We don't want our future youth to look back and wonder why we didn't try and better our lives and give back more to them than we take. To give ourselves a better outlook at the future, we need to know that we will be taken care of, especially when it comes to things like our health care. Society being too unhealthy drives up the prices of health care insurance. With the fat tax in place, we can get healthier and in turn lower our insurance costs. For instance, when someone quits smoking for a period of time or has never smoked, the cost of their insurance premium is much lower. If a person is not considered obese, they have a healthy lifestyle, that shows in their medical information. Then they will in turn get special discounts and cheaper rates on health care costs. According to a study by ABC.com, a tax of at least 20% placed on sugar-sweetened drinks could drop obesity rates by 3.5% and prevent 2,700 heart-related deaths every year. In lowering the heart-related deaths, you're also lowering the number of strokes and the risk of cardiovascular disease. So in conclusion, I wanted to share with you the benefits of putting in place a fat tax into the United States. The fat tax can help make healthier foods more affordable, help lower the obesity rate, and lower health insurance premiums. I chose to do this topic because I think we need to have a more proactive approach on life. Now, I lost 70 pounds in 8 months with just light exercise and healthy eating habits. But I'll leave you on this note. What if I told you this tax would add 5 years to the average life expectancy? Would you vote for it then?